Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Save any work and close all open applications before you change display drivers. Open Start and click Settings to begin. Choose System and then Display to see your current resolution, for example 1920 x 1080. Scroll and note scale at 100% and refresh rate at 60 Hz if visible. Next, go to Recovery and choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options to access Safe Mode Restart. When Windows restarts to Safe Mode, sign in with administrator credentials. Open Device Manager by right-clicking Start and choosing Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and locate your graphics device entry. Right-click the device and choose Uninstall Device from the menu. In the confirmation dialog, check Delete the driver software for this device when available. Complete the uninstall and then choose Restart to exit Safe Mode and boot normally into Windows. After Windows restarts normally, it will reinstall a basic display driver automatically. Open Settings and navigate to System, then Display to set your resolution. Choose 1920 x 1080 or the native resolution recommended by your monitor. If only limited options appear, download and install the latest driver from the GPU manufacturer website. After driver install, restart again and verify resolution. Finally, set scale to 100% and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.